Am I the only one who starts rage cleaning when I'm stressed out? When there are things in my life I can't control, I dive deep into the things I can control, like the state of my house. You know, there is no secret that things are more expensive now than ever before. Like eggs. They must have realized being insanely pricey wasn't, as all it was cracked up to be. Hi guys, it's me, Annette Marble with Key Realty. Sorry for all the dramatics there. It can be nerve-wracking, but did you know that there's a way to control your largest payment? Right now, during these stressful times, financially, we can still control our monthly house payments. And that is when you purchase your home, you can lock that rate in for 30 years. You can even lock in at a lower rate by refinancing when your rates go down. So instead of getting all worked up every time prices increase all around you, you can rest assured a little easier knowing your monthly payment won't skyrocket as well. Most people are closer to their goal of homeownership than they really think. All it takes is meeting with me and crafting a gameplay that you're going to feel good about. DM me with when you're ready to start a conversation. And also, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, cleaning, the good, the bad of living in and around Columbus, Ohio, then please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know what's going on in and around Columbus, Ohio. We like to keep you updated. Like my videos and give me some thumbs up and hit that like button. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to help make that move to Columbus, Ohio. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're planning on moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Columbus, Ohio, or any of its fine suburbs around Central Ohio. We are your go-to real estate team to help. Don't forget, as always, we're in and around Columbus and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.